Folks, we have a completely free event happening October 22nd through the 24th at the Hilton Long Beach. Now, this is an in-person event, which means you do need to find your way to Long Beach in October. And so we wanted to make it a little bit easier for you, and we wanted to present you with our how to convince your manager to send you to the Atlassian Builders Summit. Now, the good news is that the event is completely free, and so you just need to convince your manager to allocate some travel budget so that you can get your hotel and airfare to get to Long Beach. Now, if you're local, then you might just want a hotel because this is a 3-day event and we are starting early and we're going late. So make sure you talk with your manager and let's get into it. And I'm going to give you some tips on how to hopefully, fingers crossed, convince your manager to jump in. All right, so attending the Atlassian Builders Summit is not just for professional development, it's an investment in solutions that improve efficiency, reporting, and automation across your entire organization. We have real experts in their domain showing you real use cases, real examples, real Jira, real Confluences, real coding, real everything. This is not just sales pitches, folks. You are going to be learning from real experts on real problems that you can take advantage of in your very real companies. And so here's what we're going to get. We're going to have 3 tracks. We have an Atlassian admin track where you're going to learn how to eliminate hidden inefficiencies and avoid costly admin mistakes. You're going to be able to reduce invisible work that drains productivity and morale. You're going to be able to build systems that actually serve people, boosting adoption and delivery speed. And you're going to be able to shift your role from being a reactive firefighting Jira administrator to a strategic business leader. Now, keep in mind that you can learn all of this over time. Over years and years and years of learnings and mistakes, but you can spend 3 days, come with us, and learn from the people that have already spent and invested those years of mistakes, and they're just going to be showing it all to you. Now, the fun doesn't stop with the Atlassian administration. We have Agile project management. So for our users, for folks that are in the tools, using the tools, not necessarily building workflows or custom fields, but they actually depend on the tools to drive real business value. So what's in it for you? Well, you're going to be able to learn how to design a reporting control center that delivers clarity for your development teams, stakeholders, and managers without drowning in dashboards. We're going to be able to distinguish between team level metrics and cross-team health indicators. You're going to learn how to communicate the why behind the numbers to build trust and drive action. And finally, you're going to leave with adaptable templates and examples that you can put into practice immediately. Now, because this is a technical conference, we wanted to make it a little bit more technical. And so for those aforementioned tracks, you're going to be learning real technical things. But if you want to learn how to code, we're going to have an entire Forge track that you are going to be able to benefit from. And so you're going to learn how to automate repetitive Jira and Confluence processes to save hours each week. You're going to learn how to standardize and streamline data with hands-on projects like Confluence Storage APIs and Jira Project Stats apps. You're going to be able to create specific solutions that improve your admin workflow, agile delivery, and daily operations, and return with ready-to-deploy solutions, not just ideas. Folks, this is going to be a place to be inspired, but also learn to actually do it. This is a hands-on workshop. We're not just doing a theoretical thing. These are real things that you can tangibly go and do in your company. So the business case for your manager, immediate ROI. You're going to return with automation scripts, reporting templates, and system improvements that are going to be ready to implement. You're going to have better decision making. Clear role-specific reporting means fewer bottlenecks and faster project alignment. And then finally, sustainable efficiency. You're going to reduce repetitive work, prevent burnout, save time, and you're going to learn from all of the mistakes, the collective mistakes of 26 speakers, all in 3 days, folks. I cannot stress how important this is. You can take the next decade of your time learning these things through trial and error, or you can come to the Atlassian Builders Conference, a completely free event, and learn from the experts in just 3 days. Folks, this is just so worth it. We're bringing you so much value, so much information, so many just lessons that you're going to just pack into a 3-day event that would take you years for you to figure out on your own. So don't make that mistake and let your manager know that you are going to learn so much. This is not sales pitches, folks. We are going to have partners because this event was not cheap, but I guarantee you that every session we are tailoring and making sure that you're going to learn something tangible and you're going to walk away with something that you can implement in your company. So again, this is the Atlassian Builders Conference happening October 22nd through the 24th, completely free. We only have 150 spots available. So make sure you use that link down in the description because spots are filling up quickly and you do not want to miss out on this completely free event. So let your manager know you just need a little bit of travel, a little bit of hotel, and I'll see you in October.